So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be breaking down everything that you need to know to begin selling on eBay in 2021. Now, if you want to learn how to make money selling on eBay, this is the video for you. I'm going to break down everything from start to finish, go in depth on what you need to know so you can start making money, whether if it's your first sale on eBay or if you want to begin starting an eBay business. This is the video for you. Learn from my mistakes. I'm going to break down it all for you, so don't go anywhere. Let's get it. So guys, with 2021 approaching, eBay is a great opportunity for you. Use this video as a reference so you can get started on your eBay journey. The marketplace of e-commerce continues to grow, and I want to share with you guys how you can start making money on eBay. Personally, when I was running my eBay business for my college dorm, I was making around $2,000 to $3,000 a month reselling and just selling on eBay. So here is something that I just want to preach from the heart, because I believe that there's such an incredible opportunity on eBay. Personally, for me, I'm an eBay top rated seller. I'm going to go through the tips and tricks on how you can start making money on eBay, as well as what I learned, as well as how, and most importantly, you can get started and you can do the same thing yourself. So let's get into the nitty gritty, as well as the steps that you need to follow to start making money on eBay. So guys, the first tip that I want to give to you is to start small. I'm going to be breaking down 3 business models that you can select in order to make money on eBay, but I would just say, in order to get started, the first thing that you want to do before you start researching or finding ways or business models that you want to attack on eBay is to start as small as you can. Learn about what you have right now around you. The biggest tip to selling on eBay is to get used to the platform, as well as making a few bucks off the beginning. And I think if you're just getting started, the greatest opportunity to get started selling and making money on eBay is to sell the things that you have in your house. For me, when I got started, I was selling, or you should start selling as well, things that you no longer use: old iPhones, old computers, old technologies, and just things that are just laying in your house. This is the best way to get started on eBay, because you have no cost to buying products. Everything is in your house. You've already purchased it, so it's time to learn how to make those money and profit off those items. Now with eBay, you have to pick a selling model. So I want to break down the 3 business models that I think are most effective for you to run on eBay and how you can make money selling on eBay in 2021. The first business model to sell on eBay is through wholesaling. Wholesaling is a way to buy a product or a branded product and sell that product wholesale on eBay. You see a lot of bulk wholesalers like BJ's doing this, where they just buy the product at a low cost. Usually it's in bulk, and then they just list that same product on eBay. So it's not their personal product. They're selling another branded product, and they're just trying to make money off their own advertising or just selling that product to consumers on eBay. Secondly is the most important and my favorite, and that is the retail arbitrage. I believe that this method here has the most upside. It's the most fun, and it has the ability to really scale and grow a powerful business. This is what I did running out of my college dorm, and I think it is a great way for you to get started. Basically, with this model, you are buying things at a low and reselling them for a profit. So going to thrift stores, going to garage sales, buying them at a low cost, or wherever you find these items, and then listing them on eBay. You are going to consume the cost that you paid for the items, but you're listing them for a profit, which you're going to get paid on. I will be breaking down this a little bit more because I believe in this method. And lastly is the drop shipping model. You're probably familiar with Shopify drop shipping. Well, this is where you buy the product from the manufacturer. You are going to go to Alibaba, AliExpress, and you're going to find these products and you're going to list them on eBay. You are not controlling the products. You don't actually have the physical inventory at your house. The product is basically just an image, and you're marketing on eBay that product, and everything that you're doing is just trying to get customers to your site, your eBay store, to convert. So then once they buy your product, you're going to go on that manufacturer, AliExpress, Alibaba, and you're going to put their name in, put their information in, and ship the product from the manufacturer to their house. So you're not controlling the inventory, you're not really paying for the inventory, and you're selling it for an inflated price. It's a lot harder to do, but another opportunity to start making money on eBay with the drop shipping model. So secondly, probably the most important way for you to get paid and for you to start making sales on eBay is to create a eBay seller account. I will list some pictures up here to walk you through exactly what you need to do in order to get started on selling on eBay. So first thing you want to do is go to ebay.com, create a seller's account, input all your information, and now you are ready to start selling. You have a profile. I would say you have 0 reviews, but you're just getting started, and congrats, it's time for you to make money. But secondly, I want to break down eBay payments. In the past, you would be getting paid through eBay PayPal, but now eBay has kind of went off and passed through PayPal, and now you are going to get managed payments right through eBay. So let me explain this for you before you get started. This means once you make a sale, typically eBay is going to handle your fees. You're going to handle how much money that you make at the end of the day. And instead of paying your final fees at the end of the month, they're going to take them out once you sell an item. So basically, you're going to receive all your profit directly into your bank account after you sell an item and after the customer receives their item. So this is a way for you to just get direct payment to your bank account. It's automated. You don't have to worry about paying anything. eBay will just take everything that you owe, pay themselves, and then what's left over is going to go right into your bank account. Third is, how are you going to make money? How are you going to be profitable? If you want to run an eBay business, if you want to make money on eBay, you have to make sure the things you're selling is going to leave a profit, that you're going to put this work in, you're going to sacrifice your time, and you're going to receive payments for your value or your service. So the first thing that I would say is to pick a business model that excites you. We went through the three. Personally, for me, I enjoy the reselling model because there's so much opportunity. So when you're trying to make money, you have to make sure that there's a demand for your product. So whatever niche that you're going for, they have cars, they have electronics, and there's multiple different things, but try to find something that excites you, or try to find a niche or product that you want to sell that makes you excited, or that you know a little bit about, or you want to learn more about. The truth is, people get burned out of eBay because they're selling things that do not excite them. So once you pick your niche, make sure that there's a demand for those items. I'll share with you guys in a second what you need to know to see if an item will sell, but make sure that the things are relevant. Make sure people are buying these things, because a lot of weird things are selling on eBay, but you want to make sure that you're buying things that you're excited to resell. And then lastly, you want to make sure that there's a supply. So kind of strategically plan, how am I going to get more of these items? Let's say you only sell 5 things. How are you going to get the 6th thing to sell, to resell on eBay? So make sure you know that you're able to find more of the products or similar products that will make you money, so you can continue to stay profitable on eBay, and you continue to find things that will make you money in 2021. Don't get burned out. Don't sell things that are short on supply, and make sure that there's demand, and you're going to make money on eBay. Next is important to understand, because eBay is a business itself and they have to get paid. I remember how bad it felt having to pay these fees, but once you understand them and once you know that, hey, it's just part of the business, it's a lot easier to understand and digest. So I'm just going to break down the things that you must know, because everything that you sell is not 100% profit, unfortunately. So here are the fees. I'm going to break them down super simplistically so you can write them down, or just understand that, hey, I'm going to be paying eBay. They're going to take it out of my managed payment. And the first thing is the insertion fee. So let's say you have 200 items listed. Typically, these 200 items are free to list on eBay, but every item after the 200th is going to be charged a 35-cent insertion fee. So just remember that if you have more than 200 items listed and you continue to list or want to list items, that every item that you list after that is going to pay, that you're going to have to pay eBay a 35-cent fee for listing. Secondly is a final fee. So when your item sells on eBay, eBay makes money on the total price of that item. So let's say you sold something for $12 and the shipping was $10. eBay is going to pay a fee on the 12 plus 10, so $22. And here is the different categories. So different categories pay a different final fee to eBay. So right here is exactly what you need to know. But if you just want to take a look at that, or you don't understand, or you just want a simple view of it, eBay's typical final fee is around 12.35% of what you sold it for. So just keep that in mind when you want to make money, or once you want to learn about the fees, because they're going to come around. So that's exactly what you need to know about the fees. Keep them in the back of the mind, and eBay has to make their money as well. So the next thing that I want to break down is how to list an item and how to see if something is going to sell on eBay. I'm going to jump into my computer to show you exactly what it is, but first, this is very important. So many things that we have on eBay, or if you want to know if something's going to sell, follow this direct steps to see if something is valuable or worth purchasing to resell or to make money on eBay. So here's an example. Let's say I have this Vineyard Vines shirt. What you want to do is recognize the brand. Here is what you need to do to tell if it's going to sell, and how to get it listed exactly like something that's already sold. So first thing you want to recognize is that this is a Vineyard Vines Shep by Ian slim fit whale shirt, men's extra large. Cute shirt, right? So what you're going to do, I'm going to jump into the computer now, is to break down everything that you need to know about selling. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the eBay app. In the eBay app, you're going to search exactly this. You're going to search the men's XL Vineyard Vines Shep and Ian flannel or long sleeve. Just give a good description of exactly what the item is. Next, you're going to hit filter. Now, when you hit filter, you're going to scroll all the way down. This is the most important step. Let's say you have something and you don't know if it's going to sell. Well, this will reveal your answers. So once you go in here, hit completed and sold items. Now, as you can see, these are things that other eBay sellers have just sold. And with the concept of demand, if it's selling recently, and as you can see, these Vineyard Vine shirts have sold yesterday in a few days. They continue to sell. So this is a very good sign for you to list list this item. If you see selling proof, make sure you buy that item because this is going to be an opportunity for you to make money. The next thing that you want to do is list this exact item. It's great because you already have the whole format that's sold. So what you're going to do is scroll to the top and hit sell one like this or sell one similar. As you can see here, this is exactly what you need to do. Basically, what you're going to do is just take pictures of this item. So I have, as you can see, everything below has already been filled in. So all you need to do is add in great pictures. Now for me, I ran my eBay business with a smartphone. You don't need an elaborate camera. All you need is your smartphone, and make sure that you have a good backdrop. What I'll do is I'll leave a listing of my own that you can copy as well, because these are how I list my pictures, which makes them sell, and I just think it's a great and simple way for you to list items fast. So make sure you have a good background, take good pictures, and then in the description, it is very important. Leave any measurements, leave any good descriptions. I'll tag another good description here as well, and just make sure that you are including any flaws, anything that is bad about the item, and just say that you're ready to ship it. And then the last thing is, before you list it, is that people think, should I do buy it now or auction? But personally for me, everything on eBay, I looked into this, about 95% of their items sell as buy it now. So for me, I love buy it now. And when you're just getting started on eBay, don't be afraid to not charge shipping. Shipping is important because it makes sure that you have profit on your items, as well as people are cool with paying it typically. So buy it now, and then what you want to do to see if this is a good price is to scroll down the listing, and you will see that this is typically selling between this price. eBay already gives you the metrics, so keep the price point around that. Add the buy it now option and then list it on eBay. You have the shipping, you have the pictures, you have the description, and now it's ready to be listed on eBay for someone to give you offers. And this means that you're gonna get paid for listing that item, and you're gonna make your first sale selling on eBay. So lastly, I get the most questions about this, and it can be the most difficult, is the shipping, printing, all that process. How do you actually sell an item and then ship it to the customer so that you get paid? First thing you need is a good printer. You just use a regular inkjet printer. If you want to scale, you start making more eBay orders and sales. I use a thermal printer. It just helps the process. It's a label printer. I would just say just use a typical ink printer. Secondly, spend some time going to Amazon. I will link or send a picture of what type of poly mailer bags I use. For me, I ship a lot of clothes, which means that I just put them into a poly bag. So once you have the poly bag, when the item sells, you just pack it into the poly bag. Now, if you sell an item, this is very important, that is over 1 pound, make sure you select USPS priority mail. Now with this option, all you have to do is print the label. UPS will give you a free USPS box to put it in. So once you take your item to the post office, you can either show the lady that you have a USPS priority mail label, which means she'll give you a box, you pack the item in, and you don't have to pay for the box or the packaging. You just slap the label on there and you can ship it off. But if the item is less than 1 pound, to save costs on shipping, select USPS first class shipping. Now with the first class shipping, you cannot use the USPS free box. You can just use the poly mailers that you bought from Amazon. They're like 13 bucks. Pack the item in there, slap the label on, use a tape, wrap it up, and then take it to the post office. Other than that, if you want another tool, I didn't have this at first, is to use a simple small scale. You can buy them for 10 to 20 bucks on Amazon, just because it helps you with the weight and to make sure that your package is all shipped properly. Shipping is the most confusing. If you have any direct questions, leave them in the comment section below. Would love to answer them, but you'll figure it out. I promise you it's not that hard. And eBay is paying for those labels. So once your item sells, eBay is going to send you the label. It's going to say paid now. Click the paid now. They're going to give you the format of everything that you need to know about shipping that item. They will tell you exactly what label you need to use. All you do is basically hit print the item out, cut around the edges, put it on your box, your poly bag, whatever it is, and then throw your item in there, and now you are shipped and you are good to go. And lastly, I just want to touch up on a few things that I wish I knew and things that you need to know selling on eBay in 2021. The first thing that you must know is that the customer always wins. When you're dealing with disputes, when you're dealing with problems, make sure you give the customer a good experience, because eBay will always continue to defend the customer. Their customer is their platform, so they have to back the customer. Unfortunately, as a seller, it's not as easy to get your money, but anytime there's a dispute, make sure that you're just willing to give a refund. Secondly, with good customer experiences gets reviews. Make sure you're doing whatever you can to get good reviews. Reviews are the lifeline of your business. For me, my sales continue to skyrocket over time because my reviews continue to go up. Now, one bad experience isn't bad, but typically just do whatever you can to make sure you get reviews. Typically after I send my package, I will message that customer to say, hey, is everything good? Is there anything I can do for you? And if possible, leave a good review if you had a good experience. The reviews are your social proof. People will buy your items over someone else's if they see that they've got a good experience for you. For you to grow, for you to make good money on eBay, focus on getting your reviews up and providing a good experience for the customer. Make sure you're shipping fast. eBay is the competitor to Amazon basically, and the people are continuing to use Amazon because Amazon's shipping speeds are immaculate. So if you want to convert more, if you want to just give a good service and make more money on your eBay store, once an item sells, try to get it to the post office as fast as possible. This is only going to help you, and they might even come back for another purchase. And if you want to continue to scale and make money when things are slow, make sure you send offers to the buyer. This is a great tool for you to make money on eBay. eBay will give you an option to send offers to buyers. What you're going to do is just continue to spend some time at night going through sending offers to buyers. You might have to negotiate a price. This gives you opportunity to sell that item that may not be a hot item to sell, and you're going to help scale your eBay business and make more money. So guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope I gave you as much information and knowledge for you to begin selling on eBay. Use this as an opportunity to make money in 2021. If you have any questions about how you can start selling, or if you have any hassles, or you're going through trials or failures on eBay, please message me. Hit me up on any platform, leave a comment below. I am here for you guys. I want you to crush it on eBay. Please, please, please go out there. If you've not yet subscribed, comment, even liked on this video, that would mean a lot. We have a lot more content out there. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Love you. Bye.